Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another makeup look and it is going to be my first holiday makeup look that I am uploading. I'm very excited. It is very nice. You can wear it to work, honestly. You can wear it on a date night. You can honestly wear this look anywhere. It's just really nice and festive, especially for like the little white dots that I added. I feel like it look like cute little snowflakes. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I made this look, then just keep on watching. I already did my eyebrows off camera and I put concealer on my eyebrows. And for my eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with my Norvina palette again. I know I use this palette a lot, but I'm only going to use the pink shade from here. So I can use it as my transition. And since I'm going to be doing a bold lip, I don't want anything too crazy for the eyeshadow. And I am going to do another look that has like a bold eyeshadow and more of a softer lip. So stay tuned for that video. But for now, I'm just going to do something simple in the eyes. So I'm taking the shade Love. And I'm going to put that all over my transition. So that is the only amount that I am going to put. It's very nice and soft. And I'm going to be taking this beige shade and I'm going to be applying that on my lid with my finger just so I can lighten it up a little bit because I am going to put some sparkles on it. Doing this is a very, it's a softer method of like cutting the crease pretty much because I'm not using a liquid, I'm using a powder. And then now taking my Sephora 38 crease brush, I'm taking the shade Passion and I'm just going to deepen that up on the outside just a little bit. So now on a flat brush, I'm just going to dampen it with some Fix Plus. And I'm taking my Urban Decay Space Cowboy eyeshadow. I really love this eyeshadow for the holidays because it just adds like a nice sparkle to any look. And I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. So you can barely see it on camera, but in person you can see it's like very nice and sparkly. Alright, but that is all I'm going to be doing for my eyes. Very nice and simple and easy. Now I'm going to be going in with a winged eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Dagger eyeliner. So now that we have my wing on, I'm gonna come back to it later and then I'm gonna start with my complexion. So for primer, I'm mixing my Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I have been loving this combo lately because they're both super hydrating and they give a really nice glow to the skin. So if you have dry skin, I would suggest trying that Smashbox primer that I always use. It's just so nice and it's super hydrating and it plumps the skin so that way your foundation could go on really smooth. I feel like how you prep your skin is really important when it comes to foundation, just as much as like what you're actually using. Now I'm gonna prep my lips using the Bite Agave lip mask. So for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm gonna be mixing two colors. I'm mixing golden beige and light beige just because light beige is what really like fits me right now because I am getting lighter, but I do like the undertone of golden beige, so I like to mix them and I feel like it creates like my perfect tone. My beauty blender. So for concealer, I'm going to be using my NARS Creamy Concealer. It's in the shade Café con Leche. Contour, I'm going to be using my Fenty Matchstick. I'm using the shade Mocha. And like I mentioned in my other video, I like to warm it up on my hands. Now I'm going to contour my nose. Now I'm going over everything with the beauty blender, just blending everything out. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzing powder to the contour. This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. And I'm using the Morphe R2 brush. And then to set my concealer and the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Hourglass Veil Powder. And I'm going to be going in with it with just a little bit. And I'm just going to be pressing that into the skin. And for blush, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals, the Gen Nude blush. It's just like a really nice mauve color. It's perfect for fall. I'm going to apply a little bit to my nose as well. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using my Pat McGrath Highlighting Trio. And I'm mixing the gold one with the rose gold. I mean with the pink one. So I can make a rose gold shade. Since I got a little bit of powder on my eyeliner, I'm just going to be going over it to bring back the color. So I actually thought of something like last minute, and I did see this makeup post on Pinterest. I'll post it in this little section. I don't know who the artist is, and I'm so sorry if I like try to copy anyone. I'm not. I was inspired by it. But I will try to find the artist out there. But they had like nice little snowflakes on their freaking eyes, and I think that is so cute. So I think I'm gonna attempt to try that. Micro brush I got from Namies. It's like this little, that you can barely see it, that's how small it is. And I'm gonna be taking my pomade from Kat Von D. If you have like a white liquid eyeliner, I think it might be easier, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna be using the pomade that I have. And I think I'm just gonna be placing them like all over my eyes. So just like that, and then I'm gonna make one into like a little star. All right, perfect. So just like that, I think I'm gonna make lines on some of them to make them look like little snowflakes. Perfect. Now that I have my little stars or snowflakes, whatever you want to call them, you obviously don't have to add them, but I just wanted to add it last minute, you know, just to be like a little bit more festive and have a little bling to the eyes. So now I'm going to be going in with mascara, and I've been wanting to grow out my lashes, so I'm not going to be putting on fake lashes for a while, but if you want to, you can totally add fake lashes and it'll really help really vamp up the look. But I'm going to be curling my lashes with my Sephora PRO curler. And I'm going to be tight lining using my Urban Decay black eyeliner. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Milk Kush mascara. Alright, perfect. Now we have the mascara on. So I'm going to be dotting off a little bit of the lip mask off. Just a little bit, because I'm going to be using my Anastasia liquid lipstick, and these can be a little drying, so I like to have a little bit extra moisture on my lips. And you know what I'm thinking? I am going to put lashes. I just can't resist. I really think lashes would really suit this look, so I am going to go get that. So for lashes, I'm going to be using these Tarte lashes, and I don't know the style of these, but I will find that out, and it'll be in my description box.
I can't believe I'm freaking putting lashes on after I said I wouldn't, but I can't help it.
Alright, so I have lashes on. I think they look so much better now that I have lashes. And for some reason, these freaking lashes were giving me such a hard time. But they are now on, and I think they look so pretty, and they really help complete the look. And now for my lipstick, I'm going to be using the Anastasia liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Trust Issues. Alright, so now I'm going to be setting everything with some setting spray using my Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. It's very nice and simple, but bold. And I think it's so perfect for holidays because of like the little white dots, the plum lip. I love it so much. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more videos, because I am going to be coming out with more holiday looks, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye!